Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Something super exciting for the cycling lovers. I have got hands-on Rouge 21 speed. Let's check it out together. I mean, just look at the frame. 6061 alloy, sturdy, lightweight, powerful MTB frame, 17-inch. Look at the color. It just pops, bright red, and it is one of those bikes you park somewhere and keep glancing at. Up front, you got True Masera 80mm suspension, which means you can have smooth ride on rough terrains and lock it out on plain surface for cruising and for climb, which means you got efficiency. That's what you got with this suspension fork. I have been riding this bike for quite some time, and honestly, it's very stable. This beast has got 27.5 into 2.35 inch tires, and it's ideal for 5.3 to 5.9 feet height riders. And if you're slightly higher, up to 6.2, you can opt for Cradiac Alpha Pro 2, which got same features with same specifications. Brakes are solid. It got 160mm dual disc brake, front and rear. Whether you are cruising or a sudden stop, it got it all. Jack 7 MTB brakes. Now here is where it gets fun. The drivetrain. It's all Shimano EF500 shifters. Front derailleur you got Waltx M310, and rear derailleur you got M3020, and 7-speed freewheel. That too Shimano. And when you talk about the chain, it's bushless Maya. You got the perfect drivetrain for a perfect MTB. And remember guys, it's Shimano. You got nothing to worry. It's all covered. Comfort wise, you got memory foam saddle with quick release. You can adjust the height up and down using the quick release easily, and you got palm support, handle grips. It might sound little bit, but all the little things make your ride very easy and smooth. If you're going on a rough terrain or long rides, you want all the support together. Only then you will enjoy the ride. And they have given everything from saddle to the handle grips. And like what we told, it got 27.5 inch tires. The rim too is alloy, and the hub is sealed alloy hubs with 36 holes. It is very safe for long durability. When you look at the stem, that too is an alloy, 80mm stem with Kenley headset. And when we talk about the bottom bracket, that is Nico, and it's one of the best brand. When we talk about that wheel set, both front and rear, it got quick release. What does it mean? When you're traveling, you can remove both the tires and put it in your boot of the car, and you can easily take it away. It's very lightweight. The total weight of the cycle is 14.75. For this price range, this is the best you can get in the market right now. Guys, without doubt, you can go for it. And why wait? Order and have fun. So see you next with a better review of better cycles. If you like, subscribe and share.